Our staff goes the extra mile to ensure our clients walk away happy and satisfied. So we're excited to share our latest rave review written by one of our valued customers. And here's what one customer wrote about their experience with our staff. We believe that reviews like this are a great testament to our commitment of quality. Our team loves to share this positive feedback with the world, so you can feel confident that you're turning to the right company for your needs. We want you to get the best service possible, and at the same time, we'd like to earn a 5-star review from you. We want to thank you for checking us out today. You can call us at the number on the screen. We hope to hear from you soon.